In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check for bandwidth issues inside Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to the dashboard. Now, if you notice slow loading, failed generations, or the page taking longer than usual, this can sometimes be related to bandwidth or connection issues. Next, check your internet connection to make sure it's stable. A weak or unstable connection is the most common cause of slow performance when using AI tools. You can also try refreshing the page or switching to a different browser to see if the issue improves. If Artistly AI is running slowly even with a strong internet connection, it may be due to temporary high server traffic, which can affect how quickly images are generated. In that case, waiting a few minutes and trying again usually fixes the problem. And that's it. That's how you check for bandwidth issues in Artistly AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.